Hello students, and welcome to stage 3 of your design thinking project. In stage 1, you worked on empathy. You went and spoke to other teachers, other students, and tried to empathize with them and find out what problems might be ailing our school, what problems might need to be solved. And you used several strategies to do that. In stage 2, you went and defined that actual problem. You went on Padlet, and using our template, you found a problem that you think needs to be solved. In this case, it has to do with helping new students transition from a traditional school to an independent study program. Now we're at stage 3, which is Ideate. For this stage, you're going to brainstorm. You're going to take all of those different pieces of information that you learned and how they fit into that defined problem. You're going to start to think about what type of project you're going to use. And in order to brainstorm, we need a tool to help us do that. The tool that we're going to use today is called Go Conquer. Now you're going to hit this link, Go Conquer. It's a Web 2.0 tool. You're going to go here. I'm going to show you today how to use this tool to help you out. So what you'll do, you'll start out with this big box here, and I've already done this for you to model, but when you get here, this is going to be blank. And you'll type in that problem that you defined. In this case, again, students need support and strategies to be successful when transitioning to an independent study program. Okay, and then from that, you can actually pull different ideas that you want to brainstorm. I just pull one right there, and you can type in there. This one I typed in goals, right? When a student transitions from a traditional school to an independent study program, one thing we found is that they need to start setting goals. We talked about scheduling, places to study. So these are all different ideas, and we can branch these off of our main problem and start to brainstorm from that. And other students can come in here and build off of what you made and vice versa. And this will just begin to grow and grow and grow as more people add to this, as more people think of different ideas. You can go to a point like here and grow from that. It can grow from there, and so on and so forth. And in each one, you can change the font size to show importance, show order. You can go back and forth and move things around. If you want to have a note that attaches to one to add to it, you can do that. You can change the size. You can also, if you think that one point connects to two different ideas, you can pull that and connect them to show that that can be used for both. Right? This is a good way to connect ideas to brainstorm. So what you'll do during this stage is you'll go here and you'll build your own. Okay? Now you know what to do. Let's go ahead and get started.